Turbo Tim here of ZZPerformance. We have another customer's 16 ATS-V automatic. It's got some heavy wheels on it. It's an old build, 10-second ZZP package. But he wanted to run full pump E85 and not mix his fuel anymore. So we added our auxiliary fuel kit, and by his request, I put pump E85 in the tank and pump E85 in the aux kit. So he doesn't have to run, he doesn't have to buy like E98 like I do and run E98 in it. So let's see how it does.